So that was quite a bit of work to get to where we are now, but now we have the ability to upload images to our server via our client. We've created a photo upload widget, which we could repurpose and use it for other types of images as well, if we wanted to. We're not going to do that on this course, but we do have that ability. And if we take a look at the summary of what we've done here, we've added our profile page. We've now got the ability to display the user photos that are stored in Cloudinary and are retrieved via our API server and displayed on our client application. We've made our photo upload widgets using React Drop Zone and React Cropper, and we've given the users the ability to set the main photo and delete photos. So what's coming up next is a challenge, and it's an optional challenge, but it's basically going to involve covering a feature that we didn't look at in this particular section, which is allowing the user to edit their profile. And we'll take a look at that next.